A workout regime brings in a wellspring of benefits. The commitment to a fitness activity combats stress, anxiety, depression, and several lifestyle-related challenges. Unfortunately, the global pandemic led to a pronounced pause. Just when people resumed active workouts, Omicron brought in a wave of restrictions. Fitness enthusiasts had to find alternative solutions. But could they stay engaged?
When Omicron happened, work from home resumed. It was a very difficult time. My exercise time had reduced considerably.
I just lost the josh.
So I set up my home gym and started working out, and I made my own playlist to keep at it.
So, what are the triggers to keep them motivated?
During turbulent times, especially like the global pandemic, we have to find intrinsic motivation to do activities. We are doing the activity because we love to do it, not just because of an external reward.
Built on the framework of intrinsic support, the campaign's intent was to fuel workouts for those confined at home by creatively infusing technology. A novel attempt led to creating an immersive 3D soundscape. Enter Optimum Nutrition's Sound of Intrinsic Motivation. Set in the ever-sacred gym with its quintessential sounds, there was a motivational coach-like voice as a layer of reinforcement.
It seems impossible at first. But stay focused, back yourself, and you'll get there.
The attempt was to plug in an encouragement model to break the inertia in solo workouts with an instant emotional trigger.
Your doubts, your fears, your limits are just temporary.
The project garnered a massive response with repeat listenership off the spot for over 2 months, with a lead-in to an Optimum Nutrition mood boost playlist. The successful activity then journeyed on to the Middle East and Africa.
ممكن الحاجة تبان في الأول مستحيلة.
Then came the reverberating sound of acknowledgement. Sometimes a little nudge can push the boundary.